Chapter 11 Constructions. First topic is division of a line segment in a given ratio. So the first question is divide a line segment of length 10 centimeter internally in the ratio 3:2. So what we need is a line segment of length 10 centimeter. So take a line segment of length 10 centimeter. I'm not taking the correct measurement. Line segment AB of 10 centimeter. We have to divide this line in the ratio 3:2. For that, what you have to do first is draw a ray here which make an acute angle with the given line. A ray, draw a ray here. A ray AX which make an acute angle. This angle is acute with the given line. Then we have to divide this in the ratio 3:2. 3:2 means we need 3 plus 2 parts. That means 5 parts. So what you have to do is we have to divide the ray AX as 5 equal parts. For that we are using the compass. So take any radius 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. For getting it as equal, we are using this. So we can mark the first one as A1. So we have started from A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. What we need is in the ratio 3:2. First what we have to do is you have to join B and A5. Join B and A5. After that we need one more line 3:2. That means on A3 we need a line which is parallel to this. We have to construct a parallel line on the line AX on or at A3. We have to construct a parallel line at A3 which is parallel to BA5. So what you have to do? Already learn how to construct the parallel lines. So draw an arc here. We need an angle here with the same radius. We need 3:2. So at A3 draw an arc like this. First we have drawn an arc of certain radius. With the same radius we have drawn an arc at A3. So we need to make equal angles here because the corresponding angles are equal. So for getting the equal angle we have to take this width and make a cut from here and join these two. See, these two lines are parallel. So this is the point where this divides into ratio 3:2. So we can mark it as P. So we can measure we can measure AP and PB, and we can see that AP is to PB is equal to 3:2. So what we have done is we have divided this line segment AB internally in the ratio 3:2. So 3:2 means 3 plus 2 parts should be there. So first we have drawn a ray AX which make an acute angle with the given line, and we have divided this ray as 5 equal parts, and we have marked it as A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Then we have joined B and A5. So we need it as 3:2. So we have to draw a line which is parallel to BX at A3 also. So for that first we have drawn an arc of any radius. Using the same radius, we have drawn an arc at A3. Then we have taken this width and we cut from here to here. Cut from here. So then join A3 at that point, which gives a line which is parallel to BX. So P is a point which divides the given line in the ratio 3:2. I'll give one more question. Divide a line segment of length 8 centimeter internally in the ratio 3:4. This is the second question. So first we need a line segment of length 8 centimeter. A line segment of length 8 centimeter. AB of length 8 centimeter. Then we need to draw a ray AX which make an acute angle with the given line. A ray AX which make an acute angle with the given line. So we have to divide this in the ratio 3:4. So we need how many parts? We need 3 plus 4, 7 parts. So we have to divide 7, or we have to make 7 parts here. 1 equal, it should be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have to extend this to get it as 7. 7. So we can mark this as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7. So we have to join A7 and B. B and A7 we have to join. B and A7. Then we need to divide it as 3:4. So we have to draw a line which is parallel to BA7 at A3 because it is 3:4. So for this, take any radius, draw an arc like this. Then A3, at A3 with the same radius, draw an arc. Radius is changed. This is the radius A3, an arc. Then take this width and make a cut from here. You have to join these 2 points, A3 and this point you have to. Yeah, these 2 are parallel. We can mark this point as P. So P divides AB in the ratio 3:4. So you can measure also. You can measure the value of AP and PB and you can check whether it is in the ratio 3:4. And homework, exercise 11.1, first question.